First, add the scan-supported printer or scanner to your network using the desktop app or mobile app, so your Windows computer will scan it automatically if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Please refer to my separate tutorial on setting up and connecting the printer under the Settings app on your Windows 11. Go to Bluetooth and Devices from the left side of the window. Then go to the Printers and Scanners option. Click on Add Device. Here's where I found my E4500 Canon printer. Now you are ready to scan the document using the built-in Paint app or Scan app. Now launch the Paint app on your PC. From the top menu, click on the File and Import to Canvas options. Then select the From Scanner or Camera option. On the Scan Settings pop-up, select Flatbed or Document Feeder from the source. If your printer supports the feeder, scan one by one option. If you have multiple documents, then I recommend the feeder option on the supported printer. An automatic document feeder, ADF, is a printer component, typically located on top, that automatically feeds multiple sheets of paper into a scanner or copier one by one. Otherwise, select a flatbed to scan the document from inside. Select an option below for the type of picture you want to scan, either color picture or custom settings. For the document, I recommend selecting the custom option. To change resolution, click on the Adjust the Quality of the Scanned Pages link. Change resolution to 150 to 300. Default is 150. Click OK to save the changes. Here, I can only change page size when I select Document Feeder from the source. Now, click on Scan to start scanning the document in the Paint app. To save the file in picture format, but not in PDF, click on File from the top menu and click on the Save As option. Select the file type you want to save on your computer. If you are not comfortable and want to print multiple pages into PDF, use the free Windows Scan app. Refer to my separate tutorial given in the video description. So the Windows Scan app has an option to save a scanned document into PDF. As you can see, the PDF file is saved to my target location on my desktop. View it, and you are done. Please like supporting me and share with your friends to help them. If you have any questions, then comment below.